one of enjoyment Asante Kotoko players. Ya kind diamond car na do ko training o. O bonus in kemo. O salary in kemo. What you say? You should be going the extra mile. I mean, say, yeah, boy, Baswa. Obeka se aju ska, aju obiska na yebo na baso. Sanso na haso yebo obi echi a, obeka se ani nipa no asem there be. We say it as it is. If you play well, you get that plus. If it's bad, we tell you. Peja ball no to Henry Ansu. Listen. Pre-season obi o here say Obet TV. I talked about Henry Ansu. And why consistently now make us say we have a player in the heart of defense we can trust. In 8 matches, I say Ongo back. Why a mistake back against Karela leading to goal and never could do red card. That was the second reason Tiako could do super away. Why could do red card? You picked up a yellow as early as the 18th minute, if my record is right. As early as the 18th minute, I will get the exact minute. Yeah, I'm a born, I'm a church on your man. The type of phone also. And you picked a yellow card. Which should tell you, say, if indeed referee person sisiwa, any mistake he will give you another yellow. So yes, it was even in the 13th minute, and I'll pick your first yellow card, Henry Ansu. To whom match is given, match is expected. Your red card affected the team. Any chance of recovery, it was affected. Any chance of revival, any chance of redemption, any chance that team may come back there was affected. Because in Swatreman, if you've monitored them in the Ghana Premier League, they are forced to reckon with when they are playing at their home grounds. Last season, they were saved in the Ghana Premier League because of their home form. And the home with your home fan Diagro. I want to go through their records and give you the records of Insua when they are playing in front of their home fans. Enunti se wo kon so atre na ono ahyew na wo se wie esan ko di red card piece wa ebe rafa efa going to the records of Insua, let me give you the records in the Ghana Premier League. We talk about only Heart to Folk. The only defeat Ansu-NEEDED in the Ghana Premier League at the home grounds was against Heart to Folk. And I show 1-0. The rest, a draw, a Lagos Cities, Asante Kotoko kunya draw. You talk about Bechem United kunya draw. Asa. Nti washe Kotoko, washe Lagos Cities, washe Samates, washe Bechem, washe Biana, washe RTU, washe Midiama, washe Kimfeisa. Solid team when they are playing in front of their home fans. So as mature as you are, so what pick yellow card in the 13th minute, you should know that if indeed referee person Sisi Wumpa, you should be the last player so because who decided say oh yellow card and the home players are uji biya pong. You should be mature enough to know as an experienced player, you control the lesser ones, no money experience because of any brand then they try to go extra aggressive. You are the one to calm them down. Momono, what could do Black Galaxy national team level? Momono, and now where the yellow card no. Referee, which we will talk about the referee, we come to the referee, but the bottom line is momono and another yellow. I'm a good year saying. Misuba how boni ya meka. One boni ya meka. And seriously speaking, you are not giving out good statistics in your matches for Asante Kotoko. You are not giving out good statistics. Your performance and you need to improve Improvement is a must for a player like Henry Ansu. Improvement is needed. And preseason, we were all in love with you. But I started and there, many years you, Ansu. I don't know what is happening. You cannot continue like this. It just cannot be. And now, Coach Ogum. So we a coach. Now a chirem kwaladi. And now a teacher now chirem kwaladi. Now a do as I've no moon child. And you depend on the beja to so chiro madio. It make us a one child. And I want you teacher papa. Teacher papa. Any DNA ma etron sorry. Results ever ban. Omucha. For some of us, we know what you are doing. But then you'll be an him. So whatever changes you need to make in the team, because now it is obvious when things are not going well, because it is believed that recruitment was supervised. Players were scouted, examined by you, decision taken by you, Ogum, before approval for them to be signed. Meaning, players at team and the coach is in charge of the technical side of the team. So at the end of the day, if we get to a stage where results is not going on well, wedding, because you so you catch it and say until the difference between a right wing back and a left wing back. Coach Ogum, the technical aspect and the tactical aspect of the team is under you. So make the changes. I know you're a very bold man. You take decisions in Fanyomen Diagro. But after week 8, it becomes difficult to justify why Kotoko ain't consistent performance, especially if there is a comparison between your first coming and your second coming. Because in your first coming, if my memory serves me right, on top of my mind, Kotoko share dreams. Ebe share bichim. Eko share baby and go stars. Any career about draw. And I shared Techima 11 wonders. That was the first 5 matches. 1 draw, 4 wins. Including 2 away games. So about 2 away games in your first coming, no when you're 2 away wins. Now, what about 4 away games when you're 1 away win? The amount of compares those things and the fact that you are taking care of the team, not team into more consistent performance. Because in your first coming, you took off 4 matches and you won all. Therefore, that becomes the standard amount for the measure as a coach. And the expectations is high. You know the tension within and outside the club. Therefore, failure is not an option. No, failure is not an option. I understand. I know what you are doing. More chibitra demo, more chibimu videos. On the park, no so another in same libre. I know. But not everyone knows this. And a response is necessary. Because Kotoko bought 4 matches without a win. And yet, the first 4 matches, you win 1. First 4 matches, you win 1. And 8 matches, now Kotoko winning 2. What else? Elusu 2, about draw 4. And yet, in the Aquarius Kotoko 4 matches, be a winning back. That is not a sad and Kaibao first coming up. A few people would welcome you with open hand. Non from Bao. Therefore, in the game against Dreams, a response is necessary. That's my 4th point. Coach Shanyomegi. Makan Swatre for Makan 2 match spaces. Makan fatigue one sem. Makan Harry Ansu one sem. Referee Maxwell Hansen there. I leave him in the hands of Kotoko's administrators. Send here someone a much rocker. Now the leadership will take care of it, whether they are impressed or not. Clearly offside goal, which Ocean Tabo space go with me. Somebody offside. It denied Asante Kotoko a valuable point. But all in all, the performance lacks any element of joy to Asante Kotoko fan. Not nyede. Enyo gaza born in nyede. Ansu is my flop of the match, no doubt. And Dalad Ibrahim is my man of the match. Player bien. If I decide to rate the players, it might not be okay. So Dalad gets my man of the match from Asante Kotoko. And we also get my flop of the match. Or the interest of. We need a response against dreams. It cannot be another draw game. Because I don't know if I have it here. So Asante Kotoko matches now. On my ball now. We realize that attendance keep dropping. It's unfortunate. In Ihase. Osha Kotoko, officially, when they decided to publish a year on gates any scar winner, one thing you realize is that numbers keeps on dropping. Let me do this. Kotoko Heart of Lions, E-Tikita was 6,277. Kotoko Karela, a drop about 5,373. And Kotoko Ediana, a sad drop away about 5,149. Now about Kotoko ni Bechem, a drop away, so the e-ticket, any normal ticket for Toya, about 4,145. So in 4 matches, a drop from 6,277, about 4,147. So my simple calculation, we are looking at almost 2,000. Nipabe 2,000. And Eja Baba Sports Stadium back. Nipabe 2,100 from the game against Lions to the match against Bichim. Nipa 2,000. That's the drop. And meaning I am more than one ever. Monsesam.